Hi, welcome to the video. Just to show you the condition of the Wallace Gromit radio alarm clock. It's in very good condition actually. As you can see, there's Wallace Gromit looking at the radio. You have on here, let's start around the back. You can purchase an optional power supply. One's not included because it takes batteries. Speaker. 2 buttons for setting the clock, AM, FM switch. There's the LCD clock there. Radio tuner knob, volume control. Turn it down. I'm going to get a copyright strike, but who cares? Off, stroke demo, snooze. For selecting different, I think this is actually selecting on off bands of radio, don't quote me on that. Anyway,
hey up Gromit, shall we see what's on the wireless?
And then I don't know if you can tune it.
Hey up Gromit, shall we see what's on the wireless?
And then when the lock clocks up, you press snooze. So if you're into collecting Wallace and Gromit items, this is a very good one. You do like a bit of cheese.
Hey up Gromit, shall we see what's on the wireless?
30 grand winners could be at any time soon. Keep hearts on. Right, this absolute smash from the 90s now.
Hey up Gromit, shall we see what's on the wireless?
So it takes 3 batteries. These will probably need replacing soon because they're only cheap pound ones to show you it working, so you can hear it working as well. It looks like it was made in 1996 by Wesco. Thanks for watching. Any questions, just message me on eBay.